Dumi na naman ang kamay ko kasi madumi harvesting ng ube. You need to use your hand. Maglilinis. This is a lot of ube. I can store for my 1 year supply. Then I don't have to buy. Ito ang laki. Grabe. Oh my God. Ang bigat. Ano ba ito? Ba't ganito yung shape? Isang patusok. Tsaka ang dami doon kumpul-kumpul. Grabe ang laki. Look. Oh my God. This is about... How many pounds this? About 6 to 7 pounds. Look. We flip one tub. And this is what we harvest. I have a big ube. This is in one tub. Oh yeah. I think we have about 50 pounds here. There's a ube? Is there a ube inside? A lot of slug. Oops. It's look wet, yeah. The soil here. Yeah, but it's nice though. Yeah, more shade. It's time to harvest. Oh, beautiful.
Careful.